Ayan. It's really good to come in the house of the Lord. In the house of the Lord, there is always fullness of joy. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Amen. So the whole 6 days, as Jesus, yung ginawa ni Jesus, buong 6 na araw siya ay nagtrabaho. So we should only every Shabbat, we give time to Him. But not every Shabbat. We know that every day we need to pray. Amen? Each and every one of us, we are going through lots of trials, problems, everything. We are not perfect in the sight of God, but we need to keep on using our life as a channel of blessing.